Vertical gardening means you can garden just about anywhere, and that's sustainable, and even more so with a product that's made right here in the United States rather than one that's shipped here from across the world. When you're considering your footprint on this planet, buying local and homegrown is always the first place to start. We're proud to offer gardeners a way to grow some of their own food just about anywhere with all American made components and assembly from right here in St. Louis, Missouri.